Hi Dresser Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're going to draw Ariel the Little Mermaid in her wedding dress. So let's get started. To draw cute Ariel, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There, so now I have my two circles in. I'm going to come in here and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. So that I have my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and spruce them up with lots of long lashes. So maybe just one that's really long and then another smaller one at the top and then a shorter one right here. So just three of them. And same thing here. So this is her wedding. I'll spruce it up a little bit more. There. And then let's come to the top of her eye, say about right here. And we're just going to draw a soft curve over her eye for her brow. So same thing across right there and thicken it up. Then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve, slightly goes upwards and then cap it off. So now that we have her eyes and her mouth in, let's go ahead and frame her face. So as usual, let's come to the top of the eye, come out really close to it, and I'll just give myself a point. And right here is where I'm going to start to draw the bottom of a U. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And then I'm going to come to my center, just come down, say about right here. And that's where my chin is going to be. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve to connect to my point. So whatever is easiest, you can start with the face first, the bottom of a U. That's easier for you, or you can start with the eyes. Just play around with it and see which way is easiest for you to draw the face. Okay, so now that it's surrounded, I'm going to bring this up a little bit higher, kind of where the brow is, and then her hair part's on the side, so about right here. I'm going to give myself a point and I'm going to go ahead and connect down. And then on this side, I'm going to come right here and draw her bangs. It's going to come down all the way across. So I've been drawing Ariel a lot lately in all her different outfits. So it's getting a lot easier to draw her hair. So let's bring this up a little bit more. Just going to curve it to about right here. And from here, I'm going to come down on this side, just wobble a little bit, and we're going to bring it in towards her eyes, about right there. And then on this side, let's go up. Her signature hairstyle. So we're going to bring this up and let's see, just bring it in and then one more layer and we're just going to taper it towards where it splits and then one more. So about right here, just make sure it's wider than your face, about right there or the same width, and we're going to go up back to here. So let's go up and bring it right back down to this area for her hair. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back right here and we're just going to tuck in an ear. So just draw a curve. But before I finish that, I'm going to come right here and draw a circle for her earring. Circle, and then it's kind of like this little teardrop shape. So same thing on the other side, about right here. We'll just start with a circle on this one and teardrop shape for the earring, and then right in this area just draw a curve for her ear. So now that we have spruced up right there, let's go ahead and draw her crown. So find the center and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center, and from there I'm going to draw a straight line down And right here, I'm going to round it off a little bit, come down at an angle, angle out again, and then about right here, I'm going to taper it in. So just make sure it's about the width of your face. We're going to bring this down to about right here. So same thing on the other side for her crown. Come down, out, and once again, we just want to make sure about the width of her face, and so it's going to end about right there. Fix my angle a little bit. Okay, there's something like that. Widen out. Okay, so now that we have her crown in, let's see here. We are going to draw her hair, the rest of her hair and her veil a little bit later. Let's work on her beautiful dress. So right in the center, let's give her a little neck right here. And I'm going to bring down neck and then out. So neck and then out. And I'm stopping right there because she has these beautiful shoulders right here, her in her dress, her sleeves, I meant to say. So let's come right here. But in this area, I'm going to stop and I'm going to curve in. Just curve in a little bit. And so this is kind of like where her armpit area would be. And I'm just going to go ahead and bring this down. So about right here. I'm just going to bring in the shape for a tiny, tiny waist. And bring it in a little bit more. So now that I'm pretty even on both sides, I'm going to come back in here and draw some details. So let's say about right here, I'll find my center, give myself a point, and I'm going to go up and then down for her top and down right there. And since I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and lightly thicken this part up for that soft green that's in her wedding dress. And then now that I have that, now we have her waist. Let's bring this out. We're going to poof this out a lot for this beautiful princess wedding dress. So say about right there, and then I'm going to bring this down. So just take a step back, see how poofy you want to make it, how full. And just keep going, nice and long. Let's keep going. So say about right there. I'll stop. And let's draw the same thing on the other side. So I'll just drag a point across and make sure I'm about the same area. There. Now that I'm even, I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with a wobble all the way across. Towards the center, it's going to be a little bit lower, and then we're going to go right back up and connect. There. So beautiful, right? And then for some details right in this area, let's see here. Let's come over here. We're going to draw a curve, comes up. Then I'm going to head towards the center. So about right here, head towards the center, and then I'm going to go up. And then come right back down, just like the other side. And let's thicken this up. So just follow the curves I made. And out right there. And let's see, so now to draw the, oh, and then there's actually two stripes. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a stripe that comes all the way down. And I'll go ahead and thicken it up. Hopefully I can do that nice and smooth. And one more, about right here. Okay, there, so with beautiful detail in, and now for her beautiful sleeves. So right here where you stopped, I'm going to come out, poof it out, and then we're going to draw this kind of like bell shape. So we're going to bring it down in, and come out, poof it out, So it's really low, so about right here, this area. And then we want to bring it in, and then about right here we're going to curve a little bit and then connect. So we're curving in a little bit more towards here for the hands. So imagine her shoulders are coming down and her hands would come out about right here. So I'm just going to use this part of her dress to make it a little bit easier. So I'll just draw a curve and then bring it down, and we want her hands to be about right here. So bring this down and then come out a tiny bit and then just tuck it in. And she has these beautiful sleeves about right here. I'll just draw a little angle line. And just add some curves right here for some detail. So same thing over here. Just pop it out. There's a bell shape. And we're going to end it about right here. And poof it out. And curve in. And then once again, her sleeves, shoulders. Just draw a curve and use this to help you draw the hand. So I just want to make sure I end about the same area, about right here. Come down and come out a little bit and then in. And then once again, just draw this angle line. And some curves for the crease. There. So pretty. Okay, and then now to spruce it up even more, let's go ahead and draw back her hair. So in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and curve in a little bit and then come out. Just past her sleeves just to make it a little bit easier. And then I come down and just give it a little zigzag. So same thing here. Come out. And in. And then now for her beautiful veil. So I'm just going to come out just a little bit more, following kind of like her hair, and bring it all the way down. So about right here, flare it out a little bit and then tuck it in. And one more right here. Let's see. And give it some movement. And come out to about right there. So just bring this out a little bit and then tuck it in. Just to give it some flow. And let's see, last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here to make her my jaw so cute. Ariel in her beautiful wedding dress for a necklace. So definitely let me know in the comments below, now that I've drawn so many versions of Ariel, which one is your favorite outfit that I've put her in. And that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and that you loved it. And if you did, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.